Whoa. I only thought...
Are you fucking kidding me?
Whoa, wait, whoa, wait.
It already sounds cool. Oh my god. What? Oh my god. Skills, man. I can't do that. I can't hold shit with my feet. Oh my god. This is so crazy.
Okay.
How's he doing that?
I thought he was only gonna tune. I thought he was only gonna tune his guitar and like check it quick. Not play two at the same time.
Whoa.
What the?
So sweet. I can't tell if his face is like... He kind of was making a face like it felt like he was messing up. It didn't sound like he was messing up.
Her finger, I call it spiders. It's just when, you know, the shape of your hand when you have to stretch that first finger and that pinky so far apart. He's got that down. That's always troubled me. Or even if I can do it, I can't hit the bass notes at the same time with my thumb.
Oh, this is so awesome. Wow.
I think that is so cool. I didn't even think a recorder could sound that good. Okay, so I think there's like a hole in the bottom of that.
So to do all that in one take is crazy hard. To be able to not drop the recorder, pick it up, do it in time. Back.
Oh yeah. So good.
Like, he loves this song.
Totally unrelated to the music. I notice his numbers, his mathematics, and English letters back there. I don't know, I just thought I'd point it out.
Okay, quick moves here. I don't think I've ever seen that in any live performance. Where he moves his capo.
This sounds so cool.
Right here. You know that like power moment right there? Where Celine Dion just belts it out? Here we go.
Whoa.
Key change.
That was cool. He just like literally dropped the thing and then dropped octave with that fucking...
Okay, I don't know what happened there. It cut out quickly. Maybe there was a copyright issue or something from doing the whole song.
What the fuck just happened?
Uh-oh, what happened?
Hey, I wasn't done watching that.